And we're back again on the PT. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do maintenance, but changed my mind. Got new rotors. Broke a stud on this side also, so replaced it. And gotta just do this side. Got a new stud and lug for this side. Changed the oil. Well, I didn't film shit because it started raining. So everything's back together, oil change done, everything. So next is to paint the roof. And this is gonna end this video right here. What are you doing? What you doing over here? Huh? You playing around? No, you can't have the string. You can't have the string, man. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. And we're back. Another day here. Stopped raining. Nice blue skies now. So today we are going to do the headlights. And I'll probably buff out the rest of the car and everything like that. Got my helper today. So I'll probably buff it out, and then the next weekend I'll probably paint the roof, and pretty much from this right here all the way up, the rest will be buffed. I'm gonna leave all this alone, from this body line down, all buffed pretty much. And then like I said, next weekend I'll prep this and paint it and be done with it. But in actuality, this thing is pretty reliable. It's a trooper. My friend needed to borrow it for about a week or so, and he put in about 90 miles round trip every day. Didn't skip a beat. Got new tires. He put new tires on it, so it's got new tires now. So I told him, yeah, if he puts some tires on it, he can borrow it as long as he wants. So yeah, he said it ran great, no problems. Alright, got the first step done. Did 1,000 and 3,000 on both headlights. Quit writing on the car. You can play with that, but don't write on the car. I gotta wax it. No, Papa. So now I'm gonna buff out the headlights and this side of the car, because the sun is not hitting it. It's not as hot. The other side, once it gets in the shade, then I'll start buffing that. But I'm gonna just do the front section right here and that whole side, and we'll see how that comes out. All right, did the first pass. Headlights came out nice. Bumper, wow, this thing is smooth. Here's this headlight. Yeah, ooh, check out that shine on this fender. Dang. You can tell the difference. So I'm gonna keep on going, and then I'm gonna do some foam pad with some special black wax, the cleaner wax, and now I did the black polish. Look at that, man, that thing looks nice. It's dirty still, see the specks, but wow, this thing is shiny. Wait until I ceramic coat it. Look at that, that's nice. Alright, yeah, paint started fading right here. When I wax it, you'll see it. Little paint missing right there. Other than that, man, this thing came out nice. Alright, it's all done, waxed, everything. Thing looks good. I think I'm gonna get me a new GoPro. This thing, I think, is whacking out on me. But damn, she looks good. Very, very nice. Like I said, brand new tires. came out sweet, man. And we're back, another day here, Bobby's backyard on the Pito Cruiser. Today we're going to address the roof. We're gonna sand it down right now. I'm only gonna do from the line up. Roof is pretty bad, but the rest of the car, like I said, is clean. So let's set up the sander, some sandpaper, put on my mask, start sanding this stuff. All right, I forgot to mention these back here. These are for the back windows. They are broken. So yeah, it's not the same color, but hey, I got another one from the junkyard. Buttons work. Nothing wrong with black and gray combo. I wouldn't, but it is a Chrysler one. See right there, Chrysler. So we'll replace that, and also I got the little rubber grommet for the hood. So I grabbed that. They're always missing on all of them, but I got it for this one, for right there. So let's put that little rubber grommet on there, and then the hood prop shouldn't fall out anymore. All right. We got the little rubber grommet in there, a little bit of WD-40, slid it right in. There we go, that's better. And I did notice that it is missing an engine cover, but all the little mounting points, they're all broken. There's one right there, that one's broken, one right there, that one's broken, and that one's broken. I was gonna get it 30 bucks for a little plastic piece. Nah, it's cool, I'll live without it. Next is the window switch. Should be pretty easy. See if I can do it with one hand here. There we go. There we go. Pull that out like that. Got enough wire to pull out these two plugs. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a little bit. All right, now you can see me put it together. This is the old one. Here's the new one. Black goes with the black, gray goes with the gray. Easy as that. So you want to put the gray one in first. I don't know why, but just saying. And then black plug next. Oh, come on. Click. There you go. Put it in there. There we go. Now we got working switches, because I don't think, yeah, these ones weren't working at all. Cool. All right, we're back. Got it all sanded down in all the places where I'm going to do it. I'm not going to paint this because this is fine. All the way around here. And stop right there. Only half the hatch right there. Stop right here because everything's fine. Got the whole roof done. Now the fun part starts. Start masking it off. I'm not going to do this door because to do the door you got to go all the way over here, all the way down, and then to here. I might as well just go all the way all this way. But like I said, if somebody's going to complain about this right here, they don't need to buy the car. So let's start masking up and get this thing painted. Oh yeah, and the paint that I'm using, finally got my hands on one of these. It is tough to get this turbo system spray from Rust-Oleum. You can't find it in the West Coast over here. I had to get it from Florida, East Coast. 25 bucks for 24 ounces. This thing sprays up to 10 inches fan. So we'll see how it comes out. If it doesn't come out good, I still got automotive black paint too. So I just wanted to try it because there's a lot of YouTubers that do it, and I've seen some pretty good results, and you can color sand it too. So we'll see. Okay, we got it all masked off now. Yeah, I should cover the whole car, but like I said, I'm not using automotive paint, so there's not too much overspray. We'll see. Like I said, it should be all right for what I'm doing. All right, let's start spraying. All right, she is sprayed. Not bad for enamel, but you can tell it is a different color. Not sure if it comes out on camera. Right there, look at that, see? Black is just not black. There's different blacks. But not bad for a spray can. Now at least it's all one color now. It's not all clear coat peeled and everything. Not bad. I'm impressed with that turbo. Right on. So now let it sit for a little bit. Tomorrow I'll probably buff it out. There is some overspray, but easy to take off. It's not that hard. So I'll buff it out tomorrow, probably list it. So I was gonna end this video. All right, it's gonna end another Bobby's Backyard Artworks on the 2005 PT Cruiser. Finally complete, all done. Just gotta clean her up, and that's it. Like I said, she's done. Finally complete. Until next time, please like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Talk to you guys next time.